how to change light mode on ChatGPT. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change theme of your ChatGPT. Now, if this sounds interesting to you, then make sure to stick till the end to know the exact process for it. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get started. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on a PC, and there you have to search for chat.openai.com, and then you have to get logged into your ChatGPT account. And once you get logged into your ChatGPT account, you will be end up to the dashboard of ChatGPT, which looks like this. Now, in order to change light mode on ChatGPT, you have to tap on your email address at the bottom left of your screen, and there an expanded menu will appear on your screen. Now from there you have to select settings, and there a pop-up box will appear on your screen, and there in the settings box, you will be able to see this theme option. Now to change your ChatGPT into light mode, you have to tap on the system button, and there you will see three options: system, dark mode and the light mode. Now to change into light mode, you have to tap on third option light, and there tap on this cross icon, and there you will find the change in ChatGPT dashboards. So that was the quick and easy video on how you can change light theme on ChatGPT. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a big thumbs up. Now that's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.